This is the T4 Sports Fitness Band. It has your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, along with last night's sleep time in a nice large display. You have real-time heart rate measurements. You can collect blood pressure and blood oxygen readings from this watch. You have a fitness section that allows you to see a lot of data on one screen for running and climbing and cycling, then soccer or football and American football, and return out of that. Any one of those events will calculate your time, calories burned, heart rate, and all of those will be tracked and transferred to the Tethered app. In the settings, you can find your phone, have a remote music player, check your messages pushed from the phone, and get the model information. You have a button to push it to turn the whole thing off if you want to. And of course, you can return back to the watch faces. And from the watch faces, you have a few. There's one. Holding it down, you can select a different one. And then one more. It's a very attractive TPU-banded, thin, lightweight fitness band, the T4. Yeah, check it out.